Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shaun Matsane. I just want to encourage you or motivate you today. I wish you can listen to this motivation which I shared with you. Your fears are a kind of a prison that confines you. The less you fear, the more power you will have, the more fully you will live. No fear. I just want to tell you this, what a wonderful experience I had at the bank today. As today I set my foot to the bank by the ATM to get some cash. I dearly needed the money. As I started to transact, the ATM showed me an inscription which said, "Please insert your card." Likewise, I did insert the card. And another message came, "Please enter your PIN code," which I did. Another message came, "Please select the amount." I did that too. After I had done all that, the ATM showed me a message in bold letters: "Your transaction is being processed. Please wait." Allow me to say this, or allow me to say likewise. You have done all those things. You have prayed, you have fasted, you have even asked other people to pray with you and for you. But it seems as if nothing is happening in your life. Allow me to say to you, wait patiently. Don't give up. Don't move your request because it's being processed. Don't move because your request is being processed. Wait. Let me tell you what made me to wait. Because my card was already in the ATM machine. I had already entered my PIN code. If I gave up now and walk away, Lord have mercy, the next person will get all I requested. Not because your messages unheard, not because your prayers are irrelevant, not because your fasting is meaningless, but because your transaction is being processed. Wait, Mama. Do not think you are born to suffer. I repeat, do not think you were born to suffer. Your prayers are being processed. Wait upon the Lord. I know it's not easy, but I encourage you, wait. Keep pushing yourself forward. Do whatever it takes. You will soon leap over a final hurdle. The land right where you want to be. Always try your best. Even if you fail, keep trying. God sees your work. You are patient. Your persistence. As mentioned in Isaiah 40:31, "But they who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not waver. They shall walk and not faint." Your transaction is being processed. Please wait. I repeat, your transaction is being processed. Please wait. May the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ be with you now and forever. I just want you to like my page if you like this.